Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to have your own store and where to rent a land for a store, look for stores, furnish it, etc. So I'm sorry in advance if the video might be a bit longer because I'm gonna go into depth and show you everything. So let's get started with the first thing, what is you need a land. And I would recommend you Amstead because it's the perfect place, really cheap land. And here on the side you can see commercial, which means this is for stores, and you have different prices. So the first tip is be aware that in the future, if you're gonna keep the store and keep adding product, you should have more frames so you can add stuff instead of having little, and then you can add more products and more items. So always have more than less, and as you can see here, different prices, different frames, and we should look for commercial. So I don't know, I would recommend you have, I don't know, minimum 700 frames or I don't know 600, depending how much stuff you're gonna add on, because the store have frames on itself and then the items, the furniture, etc. So I would say let's go maybe with 600 frames for 490 linens. So I'm gonna have a smaller store. So if you're gonna have a big store and add kind of like exterior outside, like buildings, trees, like go all out with decoration, you need even more, like I don't know, maybe 800 frames, 1000 frames. So for my personal use, I like this one, 590 linens for 750 frames, and I think it's more than enough for myself. Of course, you copy the link and teleport over there. So I'm already here, and so let's try to. The first thing we're gonna do, click here this blue sign, agree. You can read through it and purchase. So now we're gonna go pay the rent. So now let's landmark this place so you can find it later on and you don't lose it. Landmark this place and let's add it in a favorites. And let's name it store. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna make the store a store, like with landmark thingies, much more. And now we have it here. So now we go to the office and pay for the rent. And of course, when you buy the land, you're gonna get all these notifications, all the landmarks. So this is the office. I'm gonna put in the description down below in case you don't know, you cannot find it. So you click one of those, and then of course I have a house, and then I have just like platform, and this is for the store. So I'm already paying a lot. So you can see here, pay. You can decide how many weeks. For now, just 1 week. Linens. So now let's pay. Now that we purchased our land and rented it for a week, and by the way, don't forget to prolong this tour, otherwise it's gonna be gone. So come and always check out how many days you have left if you wanna keep having this store. So let's go and look for a store on a marketplace. By the way, I'm gonna put all the links in the description down below so you can find it. So yeah. So store suggestion number 1, Glam City. I have seen so many popular stores on Second Life using Glam City. Like, of course, the stores are pricey, but it's a one-time purchase. So there's this one. It's 2,500 linens. And I have this smaller one in black. It's really beautiful. It's 750 linens. You can also buy here this decoration for this particular stores. Also gonna put it in the description below so you can check it out. And there's this really big one, and you can decide either way you want the light color, the dark color. You can also teleport in world and check them out. So let's do that real quick. Okay, this is how they look. We have the big one in white. It also is furnished so you can see how it looks. You can purchase them from here directly. Then we have this big one also, and here on the side we have a small one and a medium one, and I have the medium one. It's a perfect size if you just started, if you don't have that much product, and later on you can expand, of course. And here when you purchase also these panels, look how pretty it looks. Then we have also this store called Nice. They have also these stores for 500 linen. It looks super pretty. I can show you a store that have it. So this store is this store. It's by Bond. They created, purchase it, and also SCN Co. They have the same store. But when you buy open stores like that, you need to furnish it and make it look really nice. Like as you can see, Bond used this trees, the top part, and added in here, and looks pretty. So now that we are on the land, you can click here world, parcel details, and here you put the name of your store. So let's do that right away so later on you can add the store and not be bothered with it. So my store name is Belanti. So put it in big letters, and here description, be sure to delete it. And here in this description part, you're gonna describe your store. For example, I'm gonna sell pliers, so I'm gonna add like Lalutka, Evolution, etc., stuff like that. So when you look for those things, your store gonna pop up. So let me skip this part. Go to options. So here you can add a picture of your store or just your store logo. So I added my store logo in there, and here you can set fly, so nobody have to fly here, nobody can build here beside me. Object entry, everybody runs scripts, everybody. And here of course the landing point. So once you have the store down, we gotta set it up, but let's set it up for just now. Click here set, so you can set it at the door of the store or in the middle of the store, wherever you want it. And while we are on options, you can see here show place in search 30 minutes a week. So that's how people can find your store. Don't forget to check this. And also you can click no pushing, so people don't push each other in the stores. So yeah. And then we have also here categories. You can click here on shopping. And before I go and buy a store, I'm going to show you also a video. So cheap and affordable stuff for your own store. You have plants. There's a whole store here for 700 linens. There's clothing racks, clothing hangers. Also this reception desks. Also we have event booths if you have an event that you're gonna attend, so you can get your own booths. And here also another store. And I'm gonna buy a store from this brand. And also more racks, more hangers, more reception desks, and also posters and much more. And there's also these bottles if you're gonna have your own skins. And here are also more event booths and much more. And also sprays if you wanna make your own hair. And then we have this store, really beautiful. Also if you wanna make nail polish, like there's everything in here, really affordable and nice. And this is the store I want. It's just 500 linens. It's white, it's small, really simple and easy. Here we have more pictures. I did not see it in World yet, but I'm really interested. I love the clean look. So I found this cute cash register, so I'm probably gonna get it, but I will see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with a pink vibe or not. If you wanna go with pink vibe, what I might go with, we have here this counter table for your store, and look how cute it looks with pink. And this is the table, really adorable. I love here how it looks on the side, and then inside super cute. We have in white, pink and black, so you get all three colors and you can choose what you like. You can also find some shelves, and so this is a computer pop-up frame set, and I love those to use it for the store. And this is how it looks empty. I think you get all of them, so I might go with that actually. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm really anxious about the store. So let's open it up. I hope I like it. If not, I just waste the money on it, but it's not that expensive, so whatever. Ooh, I'm anxious. Oh, it looks pretty, I think. Let's see. So when you have a closed up store like this, that means you don't have to worry about decorating the outside because no one's gonna see the outside. And that's cool if you don't want to spend extra money on it. So let's see how it looks. I'm anxious. Oh, I love this piece here where it's white. Okay, here are the windows. I hope we can remove them. I think we can since it's complex. It's nice. It's not too big, not too small. It's quite smaller than I thought actually, but it's okay. So, let's see that way. Okay, and I'm gonna, before I lock the store, I'm gonna remove the vendors because I wanna add my own. So let's check, let's click somewhere else outside. And now let's delete. Like those. And I don't want, because I'm gonna add my own stuff. But I really like the color. It's really bright and nice. And the ceiling is really high. Well, it's good because you can put your vendors all the way to the top. So yeah, I like this one. But I don't want to keep it, it's too simple I think. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the middle. And lock the store. Go object and lock. So you cannot delete it by accident. And here for this one, I'm gonna go and click return. because I don't want people to come to our store to see that. So now I'm gonna go world, parcel details, and set. So this is the landing point, and now we can furnish our store. I think I'm going with this because this looks so gorgeous, and I want it for my items. I'm really thinking if I should go all in with pink and get this one because it looks so adorable. And I also saw this I have here, this cute sleepy kitten. And I think I added as decoration. I'm gonna put a sofa in. I don't know if I'm gonna decorate it that much, but I wanted to have a pink vibe, and I was thinking of getting this one. Okay, so we have everything unpacked. So let's put on the counter table in pink. Oh, it's pretty small because the store seems so tall and so big. Let's put this one on the side. Let's see where I want it. Small and cute. Kind of looks like a toy store. Okay. Left it down. So I really thought the store is small, but it's really tall and makes it really look small. So let's move this baby over there. I'm gonna also add a chair. Okay, that was not planned to be a rhyme. So I have it here in my bedroom and my office. My half-tier chair, cotton chair. I'm gonna go with the bunny ears. Oh, come on. I hate when you cannot put stuff on your floor, so I have to make this yellow square. I think the colors match pretty good. Kind of my reception. This is how it looks. It looks adorable. It's even animated here. It says hello, welcome, I think. Or just welcome, thank you. I don't know. I don't know if it have any animations. So let's click on it. Nope. Okay, it's okay. I hoped it would pop up this part here. It's okay. It looks so cute. Let's rotate it. Put it over here. Okay, now let's start with the gadgets. I'm gonna put it here and then hide it, I think. The great grader, it's gonna grate the guests, grate the people that are gonna come in the store. Oh god, I hate it. So the great grader, let's drop it here. We can hide them inside so it's not that visible. So it's gonna grate your guests, so they're gonna come in. And close everything, right click edit, go content, and click here on the configuration. And let's see. So first up we have a welcome message. Hello guests, welcome. Now I'm gonna type something else. So I typed a welcome to Belanti. I'm gonna add a heart. For that I'm gonna press the start button and R. Type in chart map. And then go here Arial. Go down and select the heart. Select copy. I'm gonna add a heart next to it. Then pop up if you want the people to be welcomed, yes. The range 30, sensor time 10, parcel restriction, yes. Group key, none. So now I need my group key, group avatar, profile. So for the group, I think this one. I'm not sure. Let's see. I hope it is. We'll see. Group counter, yes. We're gonna know public counter, so we're gonna know how many people joined. Notification, yes. Anti-spam, yes. Group exclusion, no. And then you can add the managers, so I'm not gonna have any. And that's that. Save. Let's close everything. Then we click reset. Close this. It says it's ready, so let's click on it. Say grade me. It says welcome to Belanti and join a group. And you click on it, you click here, and you can join the group. And I love this. So now we're gonna resize it. Click stretch, make it small, and then move here underneath. The customer doesn't have to see it. I'm gonna add it here. You can click on it. You can see last visitors. Who's the last person that visited. So now I'm gonna drop letters down. And here they're all in one. So I'm gonna keep the redelivery one. So I'm gonna use the R. So what we're gonna do is select them all by clicking Shift. Must forget the A. And we're gonna click link. So now we have 5 land pack instead of 9. Stretch. Make it small, not that big. Okay, now let's move this one. Oh god, it looks so wonky. It's okay. Nobody gonna know. Okay, now let's move it in here. Like this. And now we go on content. Okay, we're already on content. We go here, we deliver the script, drop it in. And now people, when they click on it, they can deliver my stuff, as you can see here. So it's all about scripts. You can put them in anything. Okay, so we have it there. It looks really nice. Let's see if I have to put it more in. Okay, like this. So now I'm adding my social media buttons, and I'm gonna use it for Marketplace, for Flickr, for Tumblr, and much more, whatever you need. And you should also make like Flickr for your own store. Like, I don't have it at the moment, but you should do that. And here in the folder we have the URL. We open it up and we add here our Flickr. So I'm gonna click here, copy. But like I said, make your own Flickr, it's the best. Then we replace this one, drop it in, save. Okay, wait for it. When it's green, it's ready. You drop it in here. Be sure you selected the thing. Now let's click here on Tumblr. Now let's look for my Tumblr right here. Copy. Should also be from the store, by the way. Also open it up again. Now we're gonna replace it again. Don't delete the exclamations. It should be in between. Save. Wait for the green square. Close. Drop it in. Also be sure you selected the right one. www. I'm gonna use that for my marketplace. So once you copy, you open it again. URL. So this is how scripts work on Second Life. Save. Again, be sure you selected the right thing. Wait, don't close too quick. Ready? And now let's get our hands off it. Let's click here. And here go to the page. Just like that. And I was thinking to make my own neon letters for the back, but I don't know how that's gonna turn out. So let's make a nice square for that. Should be like maybe that size letter. Yeah, I'm gonna make a letter with this yellow box. I'm gonna try letter for letter, I don't know. Let's make it, go in texture and use blank for now. Click on it, blank. It's all white. And I'm gonna make a letter for letter, so let's use a new one. Any size, so I'm gonna scrap it like this maybe. Okay, delete this one. Be sure it's transparent. Use the text. I'm gonna use it in white. I'm just gonna add one letter on it. So I'm gonna use it sans, it's okay. Select it, resize it. Don't forget the size you used. I'm gonna go with 300. Good. Merge it down. You're gonna click alpha selection, new layer. We're gonna go here, edit. We're gonna go here, edit. Stroke selection. Select none. We can hide this one. Now we have this outline. What we can do now with it, go filter, alpha to logo, go to neon. Any color, let's go with pink. Like this, pink. Create a shadow, you don't have to. Hide this one, and there you have your neon logo. It can be any color, you can hide this one, you can add white instead. So let's export it. Picture, export, export. So to test it out to see if that's something that would look good or not before you pay 10 lines to import it, go in texture, click on a picture, local, add. So this is just to test it. But if you want it for real, you have to upload it. Otherwise, it will. Oh my God! Look, I did not expect that to look this good. So for that, I'm gonna start uploading it as image. So I use this method just to test it out. Type letter B. Okay, adding B and upload 10 minutes. Okay. So for now, I'm gonna click here texture and click on default and on blank. It's all white. Of course, I want to copy those squares and then add all on number 4, all on the same line. It's okay, they're gonna be transparent anyway. So I'm gonna use this one, texture, and put in transparent, and then select face here, go to number 4, click on it. Now we go all the way up here, texture, on the top, start with the first letter. As you can see, here it is, and oh my God, it looks so much better than I anticipated. Click shift and click on all of them. Now open the folder, open build tools. As you can see, it's 8 line packed. Now let's click link, glow 0.1 we can do also. So it's just a decent glow like that. So let's move it to the wall. Like, oh, see, the size is even perfect. I thought I have to resize it, so like that. You can stretch it. So before, okay, y'all, this is the after. I do not want to overfill it, and I moved this even more forward. I added this vending machines that are usable. You can have French fries or a soda. And then on this side, there are these also coffees. And I think they look so kawaii and so cute. I added just flowers. And yeah, so now let's add the vendor. So I don't have that much items made yet, but yeah, I'm gonna add what I have. And I cannot wait to try out those vending pictures that I purchased. So let's do that. So we have it in different sizes. So I want to put it all on a wall. Okay, I was talking for an hour straight. I don't know if you recorded anything. So I'll place them down, press shift. Of course, I want to move them up. Not too much, I don't know, I'm so confused. So I typed in Halloween Pack 2 Little Evolution X. Now the texture, we're gonna click select face. And we're gonna select this one. If you select the pink one, you're gonna mess up the texture, the color, everything, so be careful. So I decided to go with this one. Let's try it out. Expensive doesn't mean good, but let's see. Alright, here we have it, and let's see. We have a configuration, a manual, and the script itself. So let's see the manual. Okay, it seems to be super easy, so let's do that. And click edit. Of course, be sure you add here the name of your product so the customer doesn't say this. Okay, content. Also, we have to drag the configuration and here the script. So grab here, click configuration and the script and add it in. Okay, now we have this pop-up, allow the access. Okay, price to 50. Description. You're gonna add this Halloween pack. Floating text. I don't want no floating text, but let's add this for now. And off. Save. Allow access. Be sure you have your items in it. Okay, there we go. That was easy. So now we click pay. Let's test it out. Pay. And there we have it. That was quick. And then your customer goes to objects and can unpack it, accept, detach, And here it is. That was easy, wasn't it? So I added this picture and I'm gonna add this one, and I'm not gonna download all of them at the same time because I'm gonna get confused. So let's add this one, save the image. Let's also copy the name, and let's add the picture in. And here it is. I'll rename it right away. Okay, I'm gonna edit this baby. Texture, be sure you don't drop it on here. Select face, the second one, texture. Okay, go in general and remove this one, add here the name, and then here. So I have to add those things everywhere. Okay, here we have the box. Go to texture, add your thing. Let me see where mine is. It's drowned under all these appliers I made. Let's see, where is it? Here. Okay, and again, add the name of your product. Content. I'm gonna drop here these items. And we're gonna go to the unpacker. Let's see, as unpacker, gonna add unpacker. And backup. So let's add both in, why not? Okay, you have that. Pick it up. Attach to hat, center to. You can resize it by right click edit, stretch and stretch. I'm not gonna do it, I'm just gonna keep it how it is. So now again, edit in, allow access, use our little configuration to do a thing. Price, oh, I think it's the same price. It was 300, but I wanted my store to be cheaper so people come in. So object description, loading text, no, I don't want no. If there's nothing gonna be in it, I'm gonna just add this and click off. Be sure it's with the big letters, otherwise it will be floating. Yep, that's it. It's ready to be purchased. Let's test it out. Let's purchase it. Of course, you get your money back right away. And here it is. It works seamlessly. Okay, I made my own logos for these empty vendors where I have no products yet. I made it in black, but I like these colorful ones that also match the frame. Okay, y'all, I just added this in a corner and I didn't want to overfill it. There's a lot of space left, but I'm lucky broke a bit now, so when I have more linens, I'm gonna add more stuff here on the side, but like this, looks so casual and I love it. So anyways guys, I will add all the links in the description down below, and stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna show you how to promote your store. And also if you wanna know how to make your own group for your store. So yeah, so anyways, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye! I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a